Alright, welcome to Cooking Conspiracy, and we're doing pan-fried mackerel today. So you're going to start off with your mackerel fillet, salt, pepper, oil, and lemon. Now you don't want your fish to be straight out of the fridge, so bring it out about 15 minutes ahead of time, season lightly with salt and pepper. Meanwhile, preheat your pan, either stainless steel or non-stick over medium-high heat. You're going to want to use an oil with a high smoke point so you don't smoke out your kitchen. There you go. Should be hot. Now lay your fish in away from you so it doesn't splash up on you, because that hurts, and also for this reason you should wear a shirt while cooking. Now you're going to fry it for 1 to 2 minutes, and then you're going to flip her over. And there we go. There, see the flipper? Look at this, okay. Yep. Now it won't stick even at the stainless if you preheated it properly and the fish is done. Now you're going to cook for another minute or two. I add a piece of butter. And yep, this is the boringest video I've ever made. I don't think I got any conspiracies to offer. But once the fish is done, you're going to get your flipper back out, take it out of the pan, and it should flake with a fork if you tried to do that. I mean, if you overcook it, it'll get tough and it'll be terrible. But anyways, so you're going to squeeze a bit of lemon over it, and you're done. You're good to go.